Aaron here ng Team Red Ninjas, and on this video we will be doing an unboxing of itong bagong Nutracell X EyeLuvU na galing from Malaysia, but it is formulated in France. Alright, so this is from a company called iNetwork, and kararating lang niya sa Philippines. Okay, so Nutracell X EyeLuvU. Alright, ayan. Now ito po ay para sa mata. Alright, and main ingredients niya is lutein and astaxanthin. Alright, Hawaiian astaxanthin. Yun po yung parang kulay pulang microalgae na galing sa, yeah, this one is from harvested sa Hawaii. Alright, so isa yun sa number 1 ingredients na nandito sa product na to, and also yung lutein nga na galing sa flower of marigold. Alright, so marigold yung main source natin ng lutein, and also itong ating astaxanthin. Okay, now meron din siyang 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 berries or 10 extracts. Merong grape seed, red raspberry, strawberry, elderberry, blackcurrant extract, cranberry extract, blueberry extract, green apple, and new wolfberry extract. So itong lahat ng to yung nagbibigay ng flavor dito sa product na to. So this is all organic. Alright, ang ginagawa dito is minimix siya sa 150 ml of water. Okay, so isang box meron siyang 14 sachets. Alright, so let's see, each sachet merong 7 grams. So alright, 7 grams, 14 sachet. Ano pa ba? So recommended use is 1 to 2 sachets daily before meal. So ito maganda, inumin mo once you wake up in the morning. Alright, so yan yung magandang time or best time of the day to drink a supplement that's like this one. Alright, so makakatulong tong product na to para dito sa mga ganitong condition, kasi ang mata natin is nagkakaroon ng nadedegrade over time, and kailangan meron tayong supplement to make our eyes stronger. Ano ba yun? It's not here. Ando siya sa brochure. Okay, so proceed na tayo sa unboxing muna. Alright, let's see. So envelope, ano lang siya, envelope lang. Tanggalin mo na yung plastic. Ayan, set it aside. So dito ayan na siya, and there it is. Astaxanthin, strong antioxidation, lutein, sharpen your eyesight. Alright, so ito nga pala ulit yung ating extracts, Nutracell X EyeLuvU. Alright, meron pala dito sa astaxanthin. Over 500 scientific studies have proven that the living organism which feeds to astaxanthin is appearing to have natural, bright, pinkish red hue. Okay? Astaxanthin has powerful anti-inflammatory nutrients and contains 10 times the carotene of any other plants. So, matapang itong astaxanthin na to. So, this is how it looks like. So, meron tayong 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14. Alright, so 14 sachet siya. Makikita mo dito na naka-ticket. So, let's try taking out one. Alright. So, ganito yung form niya. iNetwork. Alright, set aside natin. Muna. So, sabi dito, need to mix it on water. Alright. To open it. As you can see, yung kulay niya is parang medyo peach in color. Alright. So you just have to mix it. Patay ko kutsara. Alright. We'll be mixing this one. So, para siyang kulay orange na medyo brownish, na yellowish. Ganon. So, this is approximately 150 ml. Alright. Tikman natin. Alright, so bali, tikman na natin itong ating EyeLuvU. Lasa siyang matabang na juice. Para matabang lang na juice. So, kung gusto mo lagyan ng ibang flavor, pwede rin. Pero, matamis. Kailan ko yung kalahati sa wife ko. Kasi siya yung may salamin eh. Mas kailangan niya to. Alright, so again, thanks for watching. This is Aaron of Team Red Ninjas. This is our video for EyeLuvU by iNetwork. Subscribe nga pala kayo sa ating channel and for more videos and updates. Thank you.